Lecture 11. How to use AI for school or work. Tools, tasks, and time savers. Whether you're writing essays, creating presentations, organizing meetings, or preparing reports, AI can make school and work a lot easier. But using AI well isn't about letting it do everything for you. It's about knowing how to use it smartly, efficiently, and responsibly. In this final lecture, we will look at how you can use beginner-friendly AI tools to complete academic and workplace tasks faster with examples you can try right on your screen. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify common academic and workplace tasks that AI can assist with. Use tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Canva for school or professional projects. Watch practical screen recordings showing how to apply AI to real assignments or meetings. Understand how to use balanced AI use with human responsibility and judgment. Using AI for school tasks. Let's start with academics. Students are using AI to summarize readings, draft essays or reports, brainstorm project ideas, create study guides and quiz questions, proofread or improve writing tone. For example, you use ChatGPT or Notion AI. And for example, you just go to ChatGPT. And for example, you just write a prompt in here as write an article on climate change and hit enter. So it just writes an entire article as per your command, and you can just follow up with as summarize it in 3 bullet points and hit enter. Then you can follow up with now turn it into an outline for presentation. So here you can see you have all the content for presentation. You can see how the output can become the base for classwork. Bonus, you can ask it to check any paragraph for grammar and clarity to show its proofreading features. Always personalize or revise AI drafts. Don't copy paste as is, especially in academic work. Using AI for work tasks. AI helps professionals write clear emails, plan meetings and agendas, create social media posts or client updates, build presentations, automate repetitive admin tasks. For example, you just open a new tab, go to Canva, click on create, and go to presentation. For example, if you want to create a presentation on why teamwork matters, for that you will just have to decide the design first. So you will write in here as teamwork, for example, and you can choose any of these. For example, you go with this one, together we achieve, and you can apply all 10 pages. And for example, if you want to click in here, and here you can see it has nothing in here as it is a dummy text, and you can just remove it and go to text, click on magic write, and write in here as why teamwork matter, and click on generate. As this is a very lengthy paragraph, and you can just click on this, but a little short one, enter, and click on enter to insert. Change the text to 25 or 20, for example, adjust it like this, bring in here, and here you can see you have a paragraph that is about teamwork. And following this method, you can finalize a 3-slide presentation in under 3 minutes. And we have 2 other tools like Tactic or Auto.ai, which are meeting transcription tools. For that, you can just choose any of these. For example, you go to Tactic, click on this one. This tool shows how to transcribe a Zoom meeting or video. It highlights how it generates summaries or action items for workplace follow-up. Quick list of school and work tasks AI can help with. Summarizing a textbook chapter. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI. Writing a professional email. Use ChatGPT. Designing a flyer or resume. Use Canva AI. Taking meeting notes. Use Otter AI or Tactic. Organizing to-do lists. Use Notion AI or ChatGPT. Creating LinkedIn content. Use ChatGPT and Grammarly. You can use ChatGPT to write an email. For that, you will just go to ChatGPT, create a new chat, and write a prompt in here as write a follow-up email after a job interview. Be polite and professional. And hit enter. So here you will just have to edit the job title, company name, and anything that you want to mention. Otherwise, it has provided the entire template that is polite and professional. Then you can use Grammarly to fine-tune tone and clarity. Best practices when using AI. Use it as a partner, not a replacement. Always fact-check AI outputs. Keep your tone and voice. Edit before submitting or sending. Know your school or company's policy on AI use. Key insight. AI saves time on the first draft, but the final version should still come from you. AI is your assistant, not your replacement, whether you're managing assignments or planning your next meeting. These tools can help you get started faster, stay organized, and produce higher quality results. The key is knowing how to guide the tool and when to take over. Mastering that balance is how you will stand out in both school and the workplace.